welcome to Vaanya Studio. Today we are on a picnic at night and we are setting up right now. Let me quickly show you. Here is the setup. So we are making food and we still have some more guests to arrive. Come on, let's see it. Here's where we will cook. And a bonfire is being built. And here is where I am going to sit. Wow, I just saw this. And it's not my first time, it's my second. And now we are making a bonfire. And Uncle is breaking the sticks for the bonfire. Look! How does that happen so quickly? Now the bonfire is on. And the bonfire has started. Look! It's a high flame.
And he started his career at the age of 56.
Yay! Now we are making puffed rice. Our puffed rice is already made. We're just putting some ingredients. Like onions.
Slow कर दियो.
Now we are putting some mix. This is where the puffed rice is going to be served, and we also have cold drink. Thumbs up and Sprite. And then we serve with this design glasses. Now I'm going to serve it to our guests.
ମାନେ ସେ ଟେଣ୍ଟରେ ସବୁ ଥିଲା କମ୍ବଳ ବାସନ କୁସନ ଗୋଟେ ଖଟିଆ ସବୁ ଥିଲା এটা অঙ্কল କୁ দে থ্যাংক ইউ
Now we are getting some soda and I'm having Sprite. Now we are making the mutton, and with the mutton, look at, here is the mutton. My grandmother is done with making mutton. This is the spicy one. I've already eaten mine. We are roasting all the vegetables in the fire. All of those vegetables.
And tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Let's keep on watching what happens. After they get roasted, I'll show how they turn out. Here are the burnt vegetables that came out of that fire. They're super burnt. Now everybody is eating yummy spicy mutton. Yummy. Now I'm handing out choco pie to everyone. We're almost done with our picnic, but for now, bye, and I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to like, hit the bell notification, and subscribe. Bye, and I'll see you in another video.